Alright, you guys, and I got Excaliber. This one's a really nice casting, guys. Monster Jam. The back, of course, we know that. I forgot to show that there's two Bad Companies on here. Bad Company with racing stripes and Bad Company. That's a factory error, guys. I forgot to show you. Excaliber, here it is. All I need is drag in the chase piece, racing stripes, and that's it. Alright. Further ado, go ahead and open this. Ooh, okay. Isn't that cool? It's Excaliber. Oops. There's Excaliber, guys. The different colors. Dark red rims and beadlocks. Silver roll cage. Black chassis. BKT tires. The star logo. No headlight printing. The little lights on top. Pretty cool. I love the blue on the back. Monster Jam logo. No, nothing on the tail light. Pretty cool. I'm glad I got these, guys. Well, that's all I got today on the little... what's that? The back of the little... whatever, the truck bed, I don't know. Excaliber, guys. Alrighty, so like, subscribe, comment, share some more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.